Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm genuinely excited to walk you through something brand new and super powerful, how to use the latest AI function in Google Sheets. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up and use SheetGPT, which brings the intelligence of AI right into your spreadsheets. Whether you're working on business reports, school projects, or just love tinkering with data, this tool can save you tons of time and open up some really cool new possibilities. So let's dive in together and get you set up. First things first, if you're already logged into your Gmail, you're in perfect shape to get started. If not, just quickly log in. Now, when you're looking at your Gmail screen, take a glance up at the top right corner. You'll see a grid of 9 little dots. That's Google's main app launcher. It's easy to overlook, but it's basically a shortcut to all your favorite Google apps like Drive, Calendar, Docs, and of course, Google Sheets. Go ahead and click on those 9 dots. A menu will pop up. Look for the green icon labeled Google Sheets and give that a click. This will open Sheets in a fresh tab. Once Sheets is open, you want to look at the menu right at the top of the page. There's a tab called Extensions. Click on it. Now in the drop-down, hover your mouse over Add-ons, and in the new menu that pops out, choose Get Add-ons. This is basically the Google Workspace Marketplace, a huge collection of extra tools that can add all sorts of features to your spreadsheets. In the search bar that appears, type in SheetGPT. This is the add-on that's going to connect Google Sheets with AI, allowing you to run GPT prompts and get instant responses right inside your spreadsheet. When you see SheetGPT in the results, click on it to open its page, and then you'll find an Install button. Click on Install and just follow the prompts. If the system asks for permissions, make sure to allow them. SheetGPT needs access to your sheets, but don't worry, this is a standard and secure process. Once the installation is finished, you'll be brought back to your document. Now, if you look under the Extensions tab again, you'll see SheetGPT listed there. Click on it and you'll get an option to enable SheetGPT. Give that a click and wait a few moments. Sometimes it takes a few seconds to initialize, so don't worry if it doesn't show up instantly. With SheetGPT enabled, it's time for the fun part, using your very first AI function inside Google Sheets. Just click into any cell, for example, cell A1 works great, and type equals GPT, give me random data. This function is your way of telling the AI what kind of data you want. In this case, it's as simple as asking for random data, but you can be as creative or specific as you like. Hit enter, and in just a second or two, you'll see the AI fill that cell with information based on your prompt. And just like that, you've integrated a powerful AI assistant into your Google Sheets. Imagine using this for brainstorming, data generation, or quick analysis. The options are awesome and totally up to your imagination. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you're curious about other Google Sheets tips or you run into any questions, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.